A bit of a casual look to this, given that it is the day after a bank holiday. That over there is my office, this here is my garden. So today, like many other people, I am working from home. Anyway, here are 3 good reasons why you should attend our forthcoming blogging workshops. Reason number 1, we explore what I call existential issues, whether indeed you should be blogging in the first place. If you have a separate website and a blog, should they sit alongside one another? Or in this day and age, can the blog do away completely with the need for having a traditional website? Reason number 2, we explore the technical challenges that setting up and maintaining a blog are likely to present. What platform you choose, for example. Should it be WordPress? Should it be Squarespace? Should it be Blogger? When you're sitting behind the steering wheel staring at the dashboard, what do you need to be aware of to run your blog, to drive your blog successfully? And then reason number 3, there it is, reason number 3, how do you manage the editorial challenges? And I think, frankly, for most people, it is the editorial challenges that are the most significant, not least what you actually choose to write about or video yourself talking about, or if it's a podcast, to actually speak about. How do you maintain and find enough material to post weekly or daily, or at the very outside, monthly updates? And stylistically, what sort of style should you adopt? I'm speaking now, and I think it's best for most blogs, in the first person, but there might be reasons for the second or the third person to be more appropriate. All of this and more for just £99. That's our special offer, because we've got just a few places left in Manchester on May the 1st, and in Bristol the following week on May the 8th. I should point out that for that you also got access to your own web space, your own blog space for a whole year after the event. So in a sense, the training or the website are free. We cannot say fairer than that, surely. Hope to see you soon.